Hindi naman lahat sa atin nung bata pa tayo is, let's say vocal or, madaldal, 'di ba? Yung iba sa atin hindi hindi never man lang nalista sa blackboard, ng maiingay. Sobrang tahimik. Because we're so used to thinking, we're good at thinking, uh, but from our mind, let's say going to our mouth, hindi natin siya napa-practice talaga, eh.
Yep.
So if your outlet is through writing or let's say playing through, music, yeah, just do it or engage into activities related into public speaking. Kasi ito, kids might find it boring. Ayan ang magde-develop sa personality nyo, yung social skills nyo.
Self-esteem din.
Napakahalaga niyan. Magbigay kayo ng outlet sa mga ideas nyo, whether it's through writing, songwriting, or public speaking. Yan.